fall is in the air, and I have on a cute little turtleneck along with some cute fall booties. You can't see them, but trust me, they're cute. And we're getting ready to head into Hobby Lobby. I'm taking part in a collab with my friends Bo Alexander and Hannah at Mom with Muscle. This is going to be a collab like none you've ever seen because all three of us are using the same items, but using them in 3 different ways for our fall decor. The fun part of this collab is that each of us gets to choose an item to use in our fall decorating, so I'm getting ready to walk into Hobby Lobby to pick out the item I want Bo and Hannah to use in their home. And if you don't know who Bo and Hannah are, I'm going to let them introduce themselves to you along with the item they chose for this collab.
Hi everyone, my name is Bo Alexander and my item was a miniature white pumpkin.
Hi everyone, my name is Hannah. I'm the Mom with Muscle, and the item that I chose for this collaboration was dried burgundy eucalyptus.
And now that I know what Bo and Hannah chose, I'm going to try to find my item for this collab. Maybe? Alright guys, I found my item for Bo and Hannah. It's going to be this mixed bag of pine cones and acorns. See? I told you they were cute. Alright guys, I picked up my eucalyptus that Hannah chose, and I also have my bag of pine cones and acorns. Now I just need to go to the grocery store and pick up some beautiful white pumpkins. Right now is the time to decorate. We're going to step into my foyer. We're going to have this looking like fall with all the items that Hannah, Bo, and myself chose for this collab. Before we start decorating, I am going to do 2 quick DIYs. The first DIY is for this vase. All I'm going to do is give it a little bit of texture and spray it with some beautiful textured spray paint. For my second DIY, I enlisted my son to create a very beautiful wooden tray. This is going to hold all of my little items to create a beautiful fall centerpiece. I'm starting off with my floral arrangement. I love how my vase turned out. I love the texture to it. It makes it look a little bit more modern than that very shiny crackle effect it had. And now I'm just going to arrange all the beautiful red eucalyptus that Hannah chose. And I'm adding a little bit of bleach eucalyptus to this to kind of incorporate the color of the white pumpkins. And if you're anything like me, you arrange something, you step back, you arrange something, you step back. So it took me a little bit to get the perfect arrangement, but I love how it turned out. I love how the eucalyptus is just flowing over the top of the vase. It looks very beautiful and very fall. And now we're moving on to the little tray. I love how this turned out that my son created for me. I'm just going to add these beautiful white pumpkins, and hard to believe, but when I went to the grocery store, they only had 3 little white pumpkins, and I wanted a few more just to fill this up. So I did grab 3 faux ones from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to be using those along with the beautiful pine cones and acorns I also picked up at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to kind of, fill it in here and there to kind of spread it out and make it look very even. And to give it a little bit of cohesiveness, I am using some of the red eucalyptus on the centerpiece to go along with the floral arrangement. And I found this beautiful wheat. I think this is so gorgeous. I'm also going to be using that just to add a little bit more texture and a little bit more depth to my centerpiece. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Don't forget to check out Bo and Hannah's channel. Their videos will be linked in my description box. When you head over to their channels, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let them know that I sent you. So guys, leave me a thumbs up. It'll let me know that you enjoy these type of videos and to make more of them. It also lets the YouTube algorithm know that this video is worth watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next one.